Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti Puri this side, and today in this video I am going to be doing an empties review video. So in case you guys are interested, then please stay tuned. So the first item that I want to be talking about is the Nivea body lotion. So this one is the Nourishing Lotion Body Milk 48 Hours Intensive Moisture Care. It has deep moisture serum and twice as much almond oil, and it's meant for super very dry skin. And this was really, it was a rescue for me. It really helped me during the winter months. Winter months, it's like kind of like a dry but harsh winter months, and this is something I slathered my whole body with this every time I had my shower. So I really like to pair this with the Nivea body wash, which is still in my bathroom. I haven't finished that yet, but this is body lotion. I have another one already repurchased and using that new one. This is like emptied. I try to squeeze out every drop of it, and really this is something which is like paisa vasool kind of product. I really liked it. It smells amazing. I really like the scent of this body lotion, and this is something I will definitely be repurchasing whenever the winter months start again. So I highly recommend you guys to definitely try out this product. This is something which is great if you are staying in a area which is like super dry but at the same time cold. So cold weather months, this is great and I love it. So the next product I want to be talking about is the L'Oreal hair conditioners. I'm the type that I cannot live without my hair conditioners. I love to drown my hair from here till here, like with hair conditioner, and I cannot live without any, like I need a good hair conditioner basically. And I usually am the type that since I'm so regular at using hair conditioner, I cannot really afford to buy the most expensive hair conditioner as well, because that is something I need to use regularly. So this way it's more of an essential product, so I have to think in the long term regarding the expense also. So this is something that I tried it out. I was kind of curious because it's been ages I haven't really tried the L'Oreal hair conditioners, and I really like the packaging. First of all, I like hair conditioners which come in this kind of packaging. It is easier to squeeze it out, and the price point also, it's for 240 rupees and you get like 180 ml product in it. It's easily available everywhere, and if you buy it on Amazon, Nike, then you can avail a little bit of discount and that way save a little money as well. And yeah, so basically one thing, once I started using this, instantly what I really noticed and fell in love with is the scent of this product. I really liked that it reminded me of Lush. You know, the Lush body products. We used to have Lush in India, but now it's not there because it wasn't really selling much in India, so they closed down all their stores. So basically Lush is not something that you can buy in India anymore. It's not available. But I remember when it was, I remember in Saket Select City Walk Mall there was a Lush store, and I used to go there because I loved the scent of the store. Whenever I used to enter the store, I was hit by the very strong, beautiful, fruity, sweet floral scent, and that is what it reminded me of, the scent in this hair conditioner. And scents are something, especially for body care, I'm very picky, and the scent of this hair conditioner I really fell in love with. I loved it. It made my hair smell good. So I really liked it. And after I finished this, I tried out the golden version one. So the red version is meant for damaged hair and the golden version is meant for dry hair. And I noticed that the golden version was, the moisturizing properties was much more stronger compared to the red version. So this is something I ended up repurchasing. Again, I have a backup in my bathroom, and this is something I would highly recommend you guys to try it out. Like these two, I will recommend you guys to try it out and see if you like it or not, especially for the scent and the moisturizing properties and the price point, and it's easily available, so I really like that. So yeah, this is like my current favorite hair conditioner at the moment. Now speaking about hair, this is also another product I really fell in love with, and this is something I just recently started using. I am not really regular at using any kind of olive oil for my hair. I'm the type, I love to oil my hair before I go for my usual shampoo and conditioning routine, and this one by Figaro brand, the olive oil, I really loved it for my hair. I first started with this small bottle just to see how I feel, and I really loved how it really helped moisturize the scalp, and helped in the sense like moisture my hair, the hair strands really felt moisturized, soft, that in the end I've noticed I ended up using less hair conditioner because my hair already felt moisturized. And this is something I really fell in love with, the Figaro olive oil, that in the end I ended up repurchasing slightly bigger version in a tin can, and this is something even my dad loves. And yeah, I recommend you guys to try out the olive oil by Figaro for hair. So the next product that I want to talk about is this, my all-time favorite wooden comb by the Body Shop brand. I'm kind of sad in the sense that this kind of broke because it's my all-time favorite. This is the only thing I use for combing my hair, and it finally broke. I got this like more than 7-8 years back, so this lasted me for many years, and it finally broke. I'm kind of surprised that it broke, but you know, all good things must come to an end. Yes, so I'm pretty sad, and I want to add this to my empties video, and this is something I will definitely be repurchasing because I really like the quality, and I'm used to using a wooden comb now to just comb my hair out, and I'm not used to using any kind of brush or anything. So yeah, it's my favorite, and this is something I will highly recommend you guys to try out, a wooden comb. Now I know that there are many other brands also for like wooden comb brands, but Body Shop is one of my favorite because it was my first introduction to wooden combs, and I do like the quality of the Body Shop, so that is something I recommend you to try it out. And now for skincare, these are the two items which I finished up, and I already have a backup of this that I'm using, so you know by now how much I love it in case I ended up buying a backup. And yes, this is something I highly recommend you guys to try it out. I haven't really made a separate review video for this, so I'm planning to make it in detail, so I won't talk much about these two, but I really like the skincare from the Earth Rhythm brand. I really love it, and I highly recommend you guys to try it out. I really like that Phyto gel because my skin is very sensitive, especially around the T-zone and the cheek area, so this way I really like this. Basically, I'm 30 years old and I have a combination sensitive skin, and I do get hormonal breakouts which I occasionally suffer from. Yes, hormonal breakouts are pretty painful. If you guys get hormonal breakouts, you would know what I'm talking about, and this really helped in calming down, especially the cheek area. I really like this because my cheek area usually gets very red, and once it gets irritated, so this helped in that department. And I really like the Phyto-Ceramide moisturizing lotion, so this is something I really like, especially during the Delhi winter months. I felt this was like the right amount of moisture. It wasn't too strong, wasn't too light, it was just perfect for me, and I really liked how my skin really felt super moisturized, so I really liked it. So this way, and the price point, oh my god, the price is also pretty affordable. I mean, in the sense, not super cheap, but it's not super expensive. It won't really break your bank. So in case you are in your mid-20s, and or if you're my age or above, then definitely try these two products out. I really like the combination of these two, that in the end I feel super satisfied. So now I'm on my like second bottles of these two now, so yeah. A little disclaimer that I am not a professional medical person, so whatever I'm talking about, I'm just sharing my experience that I've had these vitamins and this was my experience. I'm just saying, I'm just sharing my experience in the end. And if you guys want to try this out, please do consult a professional doctor and then try these and see if it might work out for you, because even though it worked out for me, there's no guarantee that it's going to work out for you. So yeah, that's that. So the last items are multivitamins, and multivitamins, I have these two empties. These two I got it from Amazon India website. All the links, whatever I've mentioned, all the product information in this video will be put in the description box, so definitely check it out. So these two, the fish oil omega-3 capsules and the Himalayan Organics brand whole food multivitamin for women. Now these two I finished up, and this is something I will definitely be repurchase again because I really liked it. I am a true believer of having multivitamins, because no matter how much you take care of your diet and everything, and the thing is, our lifestyle in today's generation currently, it's really, you know, we're not, I don't know about you guys, but my diet is kind of messed up, you know. If I'm on the go, sometimes I skip a meal. Even though I try to eat healthy, you know, I do have some vitamin deficiencies, and for that I feel these two really make up for it. And I would suggest that whatever regular vitamins you take, it's always important to give it a break as well. So I like to, if I'm having it non-stop for 2-3 months, then I like to give it a break for at least 3 months of not having those vitamins, those same vitamins. So right now I have been having especially the fish oil capsule for regularly for 3 months now. It wasn't like sometimes I used to forget in between, but whenever I used to remember, I made sure to have my fish oil capsule. So this, I really liked how my nails have really started like growing and becoming stronger. My hair feels and looks shinier, so I really like that. So this way I really like the omega fish oil capsule, and this is something I will definitely be repurchasing again. And yeah, and the second one is the multivitamin whole foods, and this is like great because it's more of a, if you are not getting your green vegetable supplements from the veggies that you're having, you feel it's not enough, then this one is why I decided to go for. And it's been like a whole month, and only now I've started noticing, especially my hair. I've noticed that my hair is having less breakage, and it feels slightly, I don't know, I feel my hair looks slightly more better after 1 month of having this non-stop every day. So after my breakfast, I like to have one capsule of this, and that's it every day. So I've been religiously having this, and I really like how I feel. And I feel slightly, in the sense, I don't feel that fatigue as well, so that's also I liked it. I'm also having other vitamins as well, which my doctor recommended. So this is something I very liked, and I will definitely be repurchasing this again. So guys, I hope you all like this video of mine, and in case you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below whatever you want to say, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.